is Kirtana, and today I'll be sharing my experience with Pooja Iyer. So, initially, I was always in a state of confusion, like what I want to do, and I don't want to do something very boring or like just sitting in one place my whole life. So then that's why I was really confused. So my dad thought, why don't you take a career counseling session with Pooja auntie? And then I was like, no, I think I can handle myself. But later on, when I actually thought about it, I'm like, why not? Let's just give it a try and see if it works out. So then I had my first interaction with auntie, and then I think my first interaction itself was more satisfying. So in the first session itself, she literally took my whole history, what have I done till today in my life, and I think that is one of the key points in understanding what I can do later after my 12th. So currently I'm studying in 12th grade, and I was also thinking about what can I choose after 12th. So I was at least clear about one thing, that I want to do engineering. So not because everyone wants to do engineering, but I just thought, because since I've taken also science, either I'll do research or engineering. So that part I was clear. But what in engineering? That was my major question. And then when I actually spoke to auntie, we started exploring a lot of stuffs, like different kinds of engineering. So and one thing is that my personal strength was computers, and computers, I thought, okay, why not do computer engineering? But I always had a thought, what would a computer engineer do after his degree? So I just wanted to know what kind of job he does. So without knowing that, I didn't want to get inside computer engineering. So in the process of actually talking to her and in our sessions, I think we came into a more clear understanding that computer engineering is not something I want to do, because a lot of things I thought, see, computer might be my favorite subject, but the kind of work I'll be doing after my degree is something which I don't want to do. So I think the work didn't impress me, and I think that was one of my major hangovers got down. And then it was more clear that, okay, just because everyone wants to do that, I'm not supposed to do it. So, and that's when we started exploring other engineering fields, and lot of tests and aptitude tests. I think one very good thing about auntie was that she connects things so well, like from the thing which I do in 6th grade, from the things which I did in 10th grade, all that. She connected it so beautifully, and in the end, she made me realize that what engineering field I want to choose. And so I think coming to Pooja auntie has made me more clear and more determined towards my goal. And I think it was a very great experience working with her. And okay, and coming to the point where one of my greatest experience with her was, there was an I think the time where I realized computer engineering is not something I want to do. So I think we had a virtual internship, and then after that I just immediately called her saying that I don't want to do this. I don't want to become a computer engineer after the kind of work which was being done after your, which would be done when you take a computer subject. So then I think everything about her, like the way she interacts with you, the way she maps things about you, and the way she listens, and she literally grabs everything of what you say, and she tries to relate on my interests. And not only me, I think others also would agree, but it's something where it was something like very great experience, I would say, because working with her was a new feeling for me. And like those 1-hour sessions which we all used to do I think I look back a lot. So I just look back on what I really want to do. So I think Pooja auntie has helped me a lot in choosing my career, and I hope it's going to be successful. And thank you so much, Pooja auntie.